Today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Jiffy Lube discount promo code. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you have to search for Jiffy Lube discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called retailmino.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. So, for example, if you want to get this 25% discount for military, all you need to do is tab right here where it says show code. And after that, just let me press that again. Okay, so this is the promo code basically right here. You can simply tap on the promo code. It will show up right here. You can copy this promo code and use it in order to get a discount. So going back to the main search right here, we also have this website which is called Simply Codes. And right here, as you can see, we also have some promo codes as well that we can use for some discounts. So right here, for example, if you want to get, let's say, this one with $10 discount, all you need to do is tap right here on this button where it says copy code. And this is the promo code. You can simply copy this one and use it in order to get the $10 discount. So this is pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.